Hi, thanks for joining us for this video guide on modelling walls into a project within Vertex BD. This video continues on from our previous, where we set up our wall attributes. If you've continued on from here, then you should be ready to begin modelling. If so, right-click and choose the Insert Wall command, and then pick the appropriate wall type. First, select the starting point by hovering near the green plus sign, which is our global drawing origin. Here you'll see a little yellow snap point. Left click to select that point. You can zoom in closer by scrolling the mouse wheel if you need. You can see the wall is then attached to the origin point and the cursor. The orientation arrow points from the interior to exterior. However, you will notice the locating point of the wall is in the very centre. This can be changed in the contextual toolbar, which is located in the right-click menu. Here, you can use these three options to choose the reference point of the wall, those options being the centre of the framing, interior finish or exterior. In this case, it will be easier to use the exterior option to match the exterior edge of the reference drawing we are using. Similarly, the reference drawings can be drawn over easier by utilising the direction locking tools. You can lock the wall in a vertical direction simply by hitting the I key. With that done, the wall is then constrained in the vertical direction. Next, we can specify distance by just typing in a value in millimeters in the keyboard. Click OK and the wall will be input for that distance. You can do the same in the horizontal direction with the keyboard shortcut, this time being the U key. Now we can trace around the building utilising the orientation constraints and the snapping points of the reference drawings. Then finally, we close out the walls by connecting back to the original point our wall began at, here at the global origin point. In the contextual toolbar, we can then select another wall type by selecting this index card button here. This time, we will select an interior bearing wall. Click OK once the wall has been selected, and we can begin creating our interior walls by snapping to min point, which is the yellow triangle on the wall. Alternatively, if I want to put it a certain distance from a corner, I can hover near the corner and then select Q on the keyboard to select a local reference point. Then, once I have locked in either the horizontal or vertical direction, I can type in the distance from the corner point to the center line of the interior wall. I can then lock in the wall direction and extend it to meet the other wall. I can continue following this method for all the walls I require to add on this level by staying within the command and repeating the steps until I either confirm or press escape to exit the command. If a wall is not connected, you can simply select the wall affected to select it, then right-click the non-connected grip point. With that selected, then choose either the Create T connection or Create Corner or Butt commands. In this instance, we will select the T connection and then select the wall that we require to connect to. This concludes our video on how to draw walls within the Vertex BD Steel software. Join us for our next video where we will go on to looking at adding openings within our projects. Thanks for watching.